Creating a square hole in the back of a tailgate to repair dents from the inside, a common technique for larger dents. In this repair method, a square hole is carefully created in the back of the tailgate to provide direct access to the dent from the inside. This technique is often used for larger dents, as it allows you to push or pull the dent back into shape more effectively. By gaining access from behind the damaged area, you can ensure a more precise and durable repair without compromising the tailgate structure. After the craftsman has accessed and fixed the dents by creating a square hole in the back of the tailgate, the next step is to carefully close the hole. Using acetylene welding and GI wire, the craftsman seals the hole, ensuring a strong and durable repair. Once the hole is securely welded shut, the surface is ground down to achieve a smooth, even finish, preparing the tailgate for further refinishing. This method ensures a high-quality, long-lasting result for the repaired tailgate. Step-by-step process with acetylene welding. 1. Mark the area for the hole. As in the earlier steps, you'll first need to measure and mark the area where the dent is. Draw a square or rectangular shape around the dent so you can access the backside of the damaged area. 2. Cut the hole. Using a cutting tool, Dremel, grinder, or saw, carefully cut out the square hole on the tailgate. Be sure to cut accurately around the dent to give yourself enough space to work. 3. Prepare the GI wire. Cut a length of GI wire, galvanized iron wire that is long enough to fill the hole. This wire will be used to fill the hole when you weld it shut. Preheat the GI wire using the acetylene torch if necessary to make sure it's ready for welding. 4. Weld the hole shut using acetylene. Set up your acetylene torch. Adjust the flame to a suitable level for welding. You'll want a soft, neutral flame. Weld the GI wire into the hole. Start at one edge of the hole and begin fusing the GI wire into the hole. Use the torch to heat the wire and melt it into the tailgate surface. Move slowly and carefully, allowing the wire to fuse with the surrounding metal. Continue until the entire hole is filled with the wire. Blend the wire with the tailgate metal. Ensure the wire is well melted and bonded with the existing metal. This process should leave you with a solid metal patch. 5. Grind the welded surface. Once the weld has cooled, you'll need to grind the surface to smooth out the area where the wire and the tailgate meet. Use an angle grinder with a flat disc or grinding wheel to grind down the welded GI wire until it is flush with the rest of the tailgate. Be careful not to over-grind or remove too much material. You want to level the surface without making it too thin. 6. Inspect the weld. After grinding, inspect the repair to ensure that the welded area is smooth, strong, and seamlessly blended with the rest of the tailgate. You may need to touch up the weld with more grinding if there are any high spots or rough areas left. Once the welding is complete, the surface is ground down to a smooth, even finish. The craftsman then hands over the job to the painter for priming, painting, and finishing touches, ensuring the tailgate looks as good as new. Thanks for watching. We hope this step-by-step guide on repairing a Nissan pickup tailgate using acetylene welding and GI wire was helpful. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on vehicle repairs and restoration. Have any questions or need further details? Drop them in the comments below and we'll be happy to help. Stay tuned for the next part of the repair process, where the tailgate will be primed, painted, and finished. See you in the next video.